Guys, the Goodman's defrosting in the snow. Bet she'll steam. Oh yeah, there's ice in the bottom of it. It's just beautiful, isn't it? And I'm freezing. It's steaming, guys! It's steaming. We'll need proof. It's steaming, but not that much. You can't see it on the camera, but here comes the steam. Y'all seeing that? It's coming off the coil. I'm pretty sure y'all are seeing that. Yeah, see the steam, guys? The Goodman Steam Show. Here. Coming off the coil. Oh my God. I know y'all have got to be seeing it now. Yep. That's a lot of steam. I waited all freaking year for this. This is nuts. This is solid ice I'm walking on. This ain't no snow. It's like a layer of ice on top of here. It's 20-something degrees out. It's way below freezing. And there's like probably 4 or 5 inches of this crap. This is mainly ice. This ain't that soft snow stuff we had 2 weeks ago. This is ice. You can come over here and you can just see from the house how deep it is. Oh my gosh. We might get a defrost cycle. There's no air coming out the top. That compressor doesn't sound happy at all. But you can just see how much ice there is by looking at the pad. I'm going to take some pictures real quick and I got video back on. Air is blowing out the side. This thing ain't going to defrost yet. There's like a, look at that. It'll be a steam show, that's for sure. But this is a lot of snow, guys. Right now it's sleeting. Hey, look. It's defrosting. It's defrosting, guys. That doesn't sound good. Whoa, that didn't sound good. Holy shit, if that compressor ain't in ice. It'll start steaming. Like I said, this is more ice than snow. I mean, hell, there's already the neighboring county. There's like 200,000 people as of right now out no power. I guess I'm one of the lucky ones. But you see there, that's not water, that's ice. That's ice. This whole unit's just full of ice. Is she steaming yet? Hell no. Shit, it's not even melting yet. That poor compressor. I'm so sorry, buddy. Damn, this sucks, guys. This type of weather on heat pumps. Oh, there's absolutely no cars anywhere. I've only seen maybe 10 cars. Shit's melting quick now. It ain't steaming though. Things I do for a video. I stand out here and freeze. But I'm on solid ice right now. Can't see that. And this wind is bitter, guys. Shit's melting. All this thing defrosts will walk around. Look at this, is absolutely crazy. No steam, guys, I'm sorry. Pipes ain't froze up, but these shit melting like hell. I got another text message. This is pretty cool to watch it melt. Look at that. That is cool, guys. And it freezes the minute it hits. Putting out some heat though. Yeah, this thing ain't heating worth the. This thing is not heating worth the darn. I mean, wow, it's just bad. Like I said, that's solid ice. This right here, and that's ice. Look, that's ice. You can see the little puddle right there it's making. It's freezing the minute it hits the ground. Look at this. This is nuts, guys. This is absolutely crazy. This is a blizzard. I don't even know if I live in South Carolina anymore. To be honest with you, it doesn't seem like it. Because for those of you who say it doesn't snow in South Carolina, think again. That's all I'm going to have to say. Oh, there's some steam. She's steaming, guys. She's steaming. Camera's picking it up too. I'm lucky I stayed out here. Sorry if it's shaky, guys. It's freezing out here. And there goes the wind blowing the blades, but that's solid ice. I'm not even kidding. Look. Solid ice. Let me break off it. Yep, that's ice. That's ice. That's ice. This poor unit, I feel so sorry for her. Did something click? That's warm though. That is melting the ice off the fan. It's steaming. It's cold, although it's like 20 something degrees. I'll put in the description. It's 5:30, 5:40-ish in the evening. There's more of it to come tomorrow. I mean, we're expecting like 1 1/4 inch ice. I'm having to alternate hands. Oh shit. People, if your heat pump's doing this, it's totally normal. But I'm like, yeah, that's ice. Okay, I better not stand there. You hear the ice breaking in the unit. I got icicles hanging off the side of my house, guys. This bush is just coated with ice. Look at that. Turn the light on, maybe that'll, yeah, that picks up that. You just see how wet the unit is from just defrosting. Oh, it sets some nice warm steam. Yes! 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 She's a steaming, guys. Probably the only time I ever catch this thing steaming. Now look, guys, this is ice. Right there. It's ice. It's like a layer of ice, and then it turns to snow, and then more ice. Holy shit. that steam, guys. It's getting so warm, it's melting the shit on top. This is what's on the ground too, by the way. My elbow's getting cold. Here it goes. Oh shit. I don't know what it's slinging out of the fan. Oh, that's sleep. Oh, that's ice pellets. Alright guys, things frosting up already. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay warm wherever you are. Yeah, I'll walk y'all back to my back door. This is absolutely 100% crazy. Alright guys. Signing off from Columbia, South Carolina. Stay warm. Over and out. Thank you for watching.